Hello students, today we will do our exercise 4 of unit 3 subtraction. Okay, the question is solve the following and check your answer. Now you just simply have to solve the question firstly which is given. See, addition sum is given, you have to add this. And after that you have to check your answer. Okay, firstly do the first portion. They are saying solve the following. You know now how to add these numbers 4 and 2, 4, count up to after 4, 2, 4, 5, 6. So here you come 6. Okay, now see 3 and 1, 3, and then next one 4. Write it here 4. Okay, now see 4 and 3. After 4, 5, 6, 7. So here comes 7. Okay, now see the next 6 and 5. After 6 you count 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So here comes 11. See, okay, so this is the, and one more position come now. So you write then 1000 here. Okay, so what it become? 11,746. Now this is the simple addition that you know how to do. Now you have to check your answers. You have to check your answer that this answer is correct or not. So what you do when you are doing addition, what you get? You get the bigger number now. So what you do, from the bigger number either subtract this one or this one, that is your choice. From this addition portion you got, from this either subtract this one, then you got this, or when you subtract this number, second number, from the answer, okay, from this you subtract this, you got this one. So in either way you can check that. So how you check the answer? See what you have to do. Addition you have done, this is the answer you got. Write this answer above here. Okay, so you have written this 11,746 here, and you subtract. It is your choice. You will subtract this one or this one. One of these two you can subtract. I am choosing this 6,314. Okay, I have placed this here. So this is the bigger one, this is the smaller. So subtraction you can do 6 minus 4. What will come? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Subtract 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. What is remaining? 1, 2. 2 is remaining. Write it here. 4 minus 1 you can do 1, 2, 3, 4. Subtract 1. 1, 2, 3 is remaining. Write it here. Okay. Now see 7 minus 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Subtract 3. 1, 2, 3. What is remaining? 1, 2, 3, 4. Write it here 4. Okay, now the next 1 minus 6. It is not possible. So that 1 will take 10,000 from this. So it will become 11. Here 0. 11 minus 6. You know na? Do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Subtract 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What is remaining? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is remaining. Write it here. Have you seen? You got the second number. That means when you subtract this number from this, you get this number. Okay. See. That means your this answer, your this addition is correct. So this is the checking procedure. See, this is the number. You subtract this one, got this one. This is your checking procedure. Okay, move to the next. See, here in the first part there, that is given here plus sign. Here you have to given subtract sign. So how you check this answer? Firstly do the simple subtraction. You know na, 1 minus 1 it is 0. 3 minus 8 it is not possible. So take 100 from that. Here it will become 13. It will become 3. Okay, 13 minus 8 you can do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Subtract 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What are remaining? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So write it here 5. The next is 3 minus 9. It is not possible. So take 1000 from this. It will become 13. It will become 6. 13 minus 9. You can do up to here 13 come. Subtract 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What is remaining? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is remaining. Write it here. 6 minus 9. It is not possible. Take 10,000 from this. So it will become 16. Okay, here it will become 5. 16 minus 9. What it will be? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. Here we are taking 4. Remember that. Subtract 9. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 cut. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What are remaining? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Write it here. 7. 5 minus 5, it is 0. See, here you don't have any kind of choice. What you do in checking, see, the number, which are here, these two are in lower. See, this is the first portion, second portion, third portion. These two portion you have to add. Okay, that means the number you are subtracting from the bigger one, that one, and the answer you got, both of them you have to add, then you get the bigger one. Okay, after adding you will get the bigger one, then your answer will be checked. Now see, 1 0 1, 8 and 5, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So write it here 3, here 1, 9 and 1 10, 10 and 4 14. So write it here 4, here 1, 9 and 1 10, 10 and 7 17. Write it here 5 and 1 6. Have you seen what you got? You got this one, 67,431. See, so that means your this subtraction is okay. Okay, now see again, when this is given in subtraction, firstly you have to do simple subtraction. Then when you are going to checking, what you do, the answer you got and the number which are you subtracting, that two numbers you will add, you will get the bigger one number. Then that means your answer is correct. Okay, in addition what we have do, firstly we have added, and then from the bigger one the answer you got, you subtract that any number from that above two. Okay, in question number 1, so you get the second answer, second number. That way you have to do checking process.